Go. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. My name is Samurai.
I'm Geneva. I'm Sarah.
So today we are doing a reaction to something new to us. It is 30 crazy doorbell camera clips. It's not from the usual channel that we watch. Just saw this compilation, thought we'll give it a try. So there's 30 of them. Are we ready?
Ready. Listen.
So if you do like our reaction, please like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. All right, 30 crazy doorbell camera clips, and here we go.
Doorbell cameras are a relatively new feature developed for home security systems. They provide protection at the front door, where a monitor has a built-in surveillance camera that allows you to view it from any tablet, phone or computer. Most of the time it's used for checking who of your friends arrived, or if the mailman dropped off any packages. But sometimes these doorbell cameras capture incredible, funny and weird moments. Here are the craziest and funniest doorbell camera clips I could find on the internet. But first, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one. This son seems to have had a little too much to drink and forgets that his dad's birthday party is meant to be a surprise.
Dude, how are you the last one to show up to your own party? That is messed up. Your birthday party? What are you talking about? What?
Surprise party!
Surprise party?
Are you drunk?
Of course I am. It's a party.
You guys can come out. Derek messed this up. Seriously.
God.
Where do you
Wondering where all the cars were.
How stupid can you be?
He's looking around.
Today is a surprise party.
There's people here to see you. Happy birthday. Thanks a lot, Derek.
Oh, happy birthday.
Damn it, Derek.
Family runs into the house in panic when a very loud thunder strikes. But the dad hilariously trips while running.
The mom ready for the child.
Porch pirate is caught red-handed. Just as he runs up to the house at night and steals a package, the police turn around the corner and instant karma is served.
How did they know that?
I think they were just right there watching.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh yeah,
Dang.
bait. He got baited.
Look, that mailbox is very close to the door. That's pretty cool.
This girl's Jamaican neighbor doesn't like trick or treat.
What?
Maybe about it. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Go lang ngayon. Before you get COVID, take your ass home.
Neighbor gets instant karma for trying to destroy the Ring doorbell camera.
Oh. What was that?
Probably got something against it. Huh?
Maybe. He's not even breaking it.
This Amazon worker just doesn't care anymore. He's done with running up to houses and laying the packages nicely by the door. Instead, he decides to practice his aim with this package.
Damn.
How do you not know nowadays that all these doors have cameras?
Neighbor asked this homeowner to check her footage, as she thought someone had tried to break in at 3 AM. Instead, she found this goofy guy having the time of his life.
What is happening?
Dad tries to act like he didn't break the glass door, but what he didn't realize was that it was all caught on the doorbell camera.
Nico! Come here! Look what happened! just seen this. I ain't told you nothing. You seen this. I swear to God, I did.
There it is.
I swear to God, I did.
Karen harasses her neighbor, who she accuses of squatting. The woman lies and says she works for the state, but she's really just being a nosy and irritating neighbor.
Who are you? Investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
Okay, so who are you looking for?
Do you own this property? Are you the owner?
Are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of the property.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California that you'll know how to find a property owner.
Well, if you're not the tenant on the lease, then I'm going to have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days. You understand?
You're funny.
You're laughing at me?
You look like you're on drugs.
Unless
you okay?
Looks like you're on drugs. So
that you're representing.
It doesn't matter.
Will be reported. So you're.
It doesn't matter.
Well,
it doesn't matter.
We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. No.
Some bitch.
Okay. Oh, some bitch at your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm going to prove to the police that you don't own it. Okay.
You're a squatter. You're on my property. Get off of it.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number out here and your son's card, and I'm going to make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
Handle your business, bitch.
Handle your business, bitch, because this house looks like shit.
You look like shit. Go take a shower.
Even if there are a lot of dreadful incidents that are caught on doorbell cameras, they can also be used for something wholesome. Like this clip, where a deployed dad gets messages halfway around the world from his kids.
Hi, Daddy, I miss you so much. I only miss you soon, Daddy. Babe, I really want you to come back. Bye, Daddy. I'm going to school to learn a lot. Dad, I love you so much. Come on soon. I love you. Hi, Dad. I got a new haircut. I love you so much.
Dad.
Hi, Dad. I miss you a lot. Over there, she's doing it for birthday today. I love you. Dad, I graduated from riding my bike now. All I need for help is to push, then I'm all going by myself. There's no training wheels, Dad. How cool is that? I hope you come back for one. Bye, Dad.
I gotta show the dad.
Kid is hyped when the pizza arrives, and the delivery guy joins in, unaware of the doorbell camera capturing the funny moment.
He wipes his nose. That's me. Hey!
Hi. How are you?
My mom's grabbing the trash right now.
Alright.
Here you go.
This man is chased by a German Shepherd and tries to avoid it by jumping on top of a random car. But what he doesn't know is that the owner of the car is sitting inside of it.
But you can see the dogs coming, right?
He probably understood.
I'm afraid of that dog too.
He probably understood.
I'd be afraid of that. I would do the same thing.
I'm so.
Yeah.
You good? I saw that motherfucker this morning.
This woman is doing all that work for nothing.
Oh, there's a hole in the bag. Oh no! This happened to me one time and I got in trouble. That happened to me. My mama yelled at me.
Are you kidding?
She knew she was
Old
caught on
woman
camera
pulls a
too.
knife on her neighbor.
Ya le dije a usted que se mudaron de aquí hace mucho tiempo.
¿Se mudaron? Yo no
Se
le
mudaron.
dije.
Mudaron Yo vi a una vieja con un pie aquí.
No. Ya no vive ahí.
Mira que la va a matar.
A ver. Cuidadito. Te voy a llamar a la policía.
This person attempts to burn a Black Lives Matter flag. Woman lost her wallet at Walmart, but she couldn't have been more lucky, as this wonderful Florida man drove to her house and returned it.
Camera recording.
Hey, how you doing? I found your wallet at Walmart.
Aw.
Well, I'm gonna put it by the Amazon boxes.
Aw, what sweet dude.
Thank you.
This dog mistakes the owner's hood for a furry toy, though it kinda looks like the doggy tries to strangle
Oh
her.
my gosh. Oh my gosh.
No one prepared you for what you do when this happens. That's not how I want to go out, Grissom.
Oh, it's like a hood. A hoodie.
He laid down too. He laid down. That's adorable.
Let go of my hood.
That's adorable.
Where are you?
This kid has a lot of potential to be a pro athlete, or so they thought.
Oh.
Dad, think fast. Listen, that child is going to be a pro athlete.
Yeah. Right on cue, huh?
That is so. That's
Bro, we're just throwing it.
This kid went for a little longer ride this morning than expected as mom let go of the stroller, unaware that it keeps rolling away.
Because those things have brakes for that reason.
Lady.
She's just gone.
Lady. Oh, shit. Baby.
Fortunately, the kid didn't get hurt. This guy thinks the Ring doorbell is a bomb, and when he presses it, he runs to jump off the balcony from the 3rd floor
High
stairs.
shit.
From the 3rd floor.
Bomb.
This disturbing footage shows a young woman abandoning her 3-year-old boy at a stranger's house. When the homeowner opened the door, she pushed the baby in the door and walked away.
So you're leaving your baby with me? And she said, yeah. I said, so you're abandoning your baby.
What's her name?
I don't know her name. I have no idea who she is.
The woman was later arrested and charged for unlawful desertion of a child and child neglect. She also said she abandoned her son because he had gotten sick with scabies, a contagious itchy skin rash, and could apparently no longer take care of him. The kid was placed in the care of a child welfare. What a terrible mother. This man is ding-dong ditching in the middle of the night, and for some reason he's also fully naked.
But he got shoes off. Gotta get that traction. Look at the shoes.
Just gotta go fast.
Yeah.
This dancing mailman is having a great day at work.
I love those things. I don't know why. They're so addicting. It's like not even real cheese, but it's so good. Cheers.
This cat is desperately trying to alert the owner to open the door. This guy delivering a package is terrified of the homeowner's dog.
Yeah, I got a package.
No,
Get your dog!
Oh, some people are terrified of dogs no matter what size.
Get your dog!
Parkour.
Oh my god!
Get your dog! Get your dog!
Oh.
If the person in this next clip was chased by that dog, he would probably pass out, because this guy is screaming for his life while running away from a little chihuahua.
Some ankle biters.
Oh my god, he's doing a circle!
Swagway trick doesn't go as planned.
Oh my god!
Imagine having a creepy neighbor like this one. He just walks up to the camera, stares into it for a while, and then walks away.
What do you want?
What the fuck? What a weirdo.
Someone please tell this man what to do.
Molly!
Hello.
Molly!
Hey, what I should do?
Molly! Come here. Molly!
What I should
The dog isn't even saying anything.
And to end this video, let me show you something that is always funny.
Oh!
A video of someone falling.
I see his feet just quit. His whole shins just quit. He said, damn it.
These clips make me wonder about all the crazy things that have happened, but weren't captured on camera. Luckily, doorbell cameras have become very popular recently, and there are tons of funny clips like these. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, so that you won't miss the next video. And while you wait for the next one, check out our other awesome videos. Goodbye.
This is a cute little compilation.
This is yeah, I really like this a lot.
Yeah, I'm sure, like showing the animals at the end right there probably has a, you know, crazy doorbell animal version.
It's a good trick with the cat.
The doorbell?
Yeah, the doorbell. Yeah.
Like friends could prank to them.
I like the kitty in the window still.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
let me in! Open the door! Open it!
So it wasn't disturbing at all, of course. It's just, just random, a lot of random.
Yeah.
Yeah. I gotta admit, it's not as engaging as the other doorbell one that we've seen. Yeah.
That was peculiar. I thought it was cool.
I mean, for me, but I know you two loved it.
I loved it.
I liked it.
Animal content.
Yeah, but there are people. I mean, I've known people who actually are really afraid of dogs.
Yeah, I've seen
Of
that.
any size, like they're
Yeah.
terrified, like petrified, terrified.
I'm kind of like that with really big dogs. I don't really like big dogs to come here.
Topple over you, just like.
I'm weak.
Snakes.
Oh, fuck snakes. My mammal.
My mammal. We should have a my mammal segment. Yeah.
I should.
Just mammal segment. Just mammal
That's
stories.
not a bad idea.
Mammal compilation.
Mammal corner.
We need to get her on the show.
Anyways, mammal.
Yeah, mammal.
How do you feel?
I liked it. It was so cute. You know, some weird stuff. Yes.
Yeah.
It's funny. 10 out of 10.
Just the dog ones are funny to me. Yeah. Well, if you do like our reaction, please like, comment, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. And we'll see you in the next one.
Tap out for now. Bye.
I'm outside of your window.